Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable Draw V to turn on flashlight or turn off flashlight in Oneplus Nord CE2 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, enter into the settings, then choose convenience tools from the list, then choose gestures and motions. Now we need to click screen off gestures. Now we enable Draw a V to turn on flashlight on or off. Now enable that. So we'll check when screen is on. It's not working on screen on. Now I turn off the screen. Now you can see the flashlight is turned on. Again turn off. Now you can use it again. Turn on, turn off. It's work very smoothly. In some smartphones, in these type of gestures, we need to work sometimes very hardly, but this one is very smooth. That's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.